Got the Crocs with the socks. Got Carly over here helping me out with the video today. Oh yeah, look at that. It's perfect. Means we're good. We're good to hit VTEC today. Photo bomb. This is a video that you guys have been asking me. I get a lot of questions on this all the time. Like, what are my future plans for me and the SI right here? So let's get on to the film location. I need to get gas, as you can see, because I'm on like 4 bars. So we'll turn the radar on.
Testing.
10th gen. Woo! So change of plans, just battling with the wind right now, and I'm really disappointed because I wanted to film this spot. Look at the location, it's perfect, guys, the view and everything, but there's a location that's probably a mile down the street that we're gonna give a shot. It's a little more isolated. Spot number 2. How does it look? You can put the tripod together.
It looks good.
Does it look good?
Yeah. Okay, so what are your future plans for the SI?
Honestly, I get that question all the time. I really do. It's a hard question to answer.
Okay, so do you want to keep your SI NA, supercharged, or turbo?
There's another hard question that I get asked every single time. Guys, I really think I'm gonna retire from YouTube because I'm getting all these hard questions that I can't answer. This is ridiculous. All right, so we switched it up just because the sun is kind of crazy over there and the wind too. So I'm gonna just take a little seat on my handy dandy desk or chair, homemade chair, whatever you wanna call it. Back to the question that I was asked at the beginning. I go supercharged, turbo, or keep it NA? And you know, it is a pretty tough question, like, and I'm honest when I say that, but to answer that question, I'm gonna have to choose naturally aspirated route. And there's mainly 3 reasons why I want to stay naturally aspirated. The first reason why, all you guys know this, I say this in every single video, my budget. I don't have to get into too many details, but right now I don't have a crazy amount of money to where I want to just dump boost into this thing and then have to worry about stuff breaking afterwards. So budget is the first one. Second reason is the steering rack issue that I'm facing. I don't want to increase the power on this car right now and have to worry about like something happening with my steering and ruining all the money that I dropped on this investment. So until I get the steering rack fixed, then maybe I'll consider boost. Caught it on, I forgot.
Yeah, I already did it for you.
You got it?
No, it went black out.
Every time I want to film a clip, what happens, Carly?
Well, it's got to be something different. It's got to be wind or rain. Or even snow. But come on, really, I'm saying it's like garbage can.
I always think that I'm gonna have the best spots. I always plan to go to the best spots, and I get here and it's like, all right. So the last reason why I want to stick NA is because of daily driving purposes. All right. If you guys don't know, Carly, show them real quick. The SI is the main daily right now. It's the main daily driver. My other car is down currently, so I need to keep this reliable. So basically, if I were to throw boost at it, I'm not saying it's not going to be reliable, but in terms of like longevity and sacrificing reliability, it kind of will. It's just more stuff you have to worry about. You know, added torque, added power, all that. So it's not really built for boost right now as is. That's the thumbnail. You have to say right now.
It's windy as heck.
Is that it?
Yeah.
She ain't lying, dude. This sucks. Every time we press record,
you gotta have something wrong.
the wind comes. Picks up gradually, significantly. They just don't want me to make YouTube videos anymore.
Nope.
All right, so the goal is to stick NA for a while with my K24. And honestly, until something happens, then I'll reconsider like on which route I want to go with. But I always wanted the 06 to 08 JDM K24 because it has more power, a better cam, and the same torque. So if anything happens to the K24, I would probably buy an 06 to 08, rebuild that, and just use parts off of this one. So the next K24 I want to build, which is the 06 and 08, 06 to 08 should I say, I want to build it for high revs. We're gonna head into the car real quick to finish up the video because just can't beat the wind right now. So.
Yeah.
Carly, tell them.
What?
No.
Subscribe. Let's get in this whip. Oh, Jesus.
We're in the turbo.
We in a turbo. Hold on.
How's that better? Let me crack the windows. So I hope you guys got out. I hope you guys took away from the outside last clip that if anything happens to this K24, I want to build an 06 to 08 just because it makes a little more power out of the factory. I want to build it for high RPMs. I want to do Type S pump, port and polish head, slight head work. I want to do stronger rods, Nippon Racing stock compression pistons with new rings, race bearings, etc. So the next K24 I do, I'm gonna go all out just because I know that I like the K24 platform. So that's basically the goal, guys. Keep it NA, you know, maybe rebuild it down the road, or if something happens major to this thing, drop an 06 to 08 in it, build the crap out of it internally, semi-built, have it ready for boost. You know, I don't want to just throw a supercharger on there because knowing my luck, I would probably blow something up. Lastly, should I ask Carly, are you having fun making this video?
Yeah.
She's been a huge help, guys. It really helps to have somebody holding the camera while you're trying to talk instead of, you know, positioning it on a crappy surface or something.
Yeah. I almost bumped into the garbage can.
I had her stationed near the trash can. My bad, kid. Whatever, kid. In conclusion, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, it's been fun to make. You know, a lot of people have been asking me the same question over and over again. You know, you going boost, this and that, blah, blah, blah. So I figured I'd make it for you. Ultimately, I was going to go turbo, you know, PRL turbo, but I just feel like I would run into more issues with it. So in terms of kits, for supercharged kits, I really do like the Merc Racing. After I just previously been in a 9th Gen SI, I'll drop the video in the description or up top here. By the way, you guys have been killing it on that video. Thank you so much for the support. I like the Merc Racing kit because the power is just continuous everywhere. It doesn't just build up gradually. But I've also been in a Craftworks supercharged FG2. Shout out Gus if you're watching this. I know you got a Type R now. But I like the Craftworks as well. I just feel like it's more based towards higher RPM, but I would really have to compare the two a lot before I made a final decision on what I would go with. But just know that those two kits are something I would prefer in the future. I would probably go Merc over Craftworks for the time being until I actually probably got another ride in the Craftworks. So shout out to all you guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give me a like.
Subscribe.
Drop the comments below.
It's subscribe.
And subscribe, kid. You know the drill. And we also have a video planned. I'm not going to get into too much detail, but I want to do it for Carly. I'm going to do like a little quiz and see what she knows in terms of cars. So if you guys want to see that video, I think it'll be really cool. I'm going to drop it anyways. But give a shout out to Carly over here for filming. Let her know if she did a good job. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Peace out.